Exercise second B. Find the reciprocal of the following. The question 3 upon 5. So in the reciprocal of any number, we will get a new number, but the numerator and denominator will change. So the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. So for 3 upon 5, the reciprocal is 5 upon 3. And now look at this question D. Here only 5 is written, no denominator. So we will assume the denominator 1. Now reciprocal of this equals to 1 upon 5. 1 becomes the numerator and 5 will become the denominator. So for 5, its reciprocal is 1 upon 5. Next question A. Find 7 divided by 2 upon 5. Now in this second term we will reciprocal and this divide sign will change into the multiply. Let's see, 7 into divide sign will change into the multiply and the number 2 upon 5 will reciprocal and becomes 5 upon 2. Now as we have seen how to multiply a whole number with a fraction, the same rule we will apply here. If this number 7 can be divisible by 2, so we will cut. If it is not divisible by 2, so we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So here no denominator is given, so we will assume the denominator 1. Now 7 into 5 and 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 2. 7 into 5 equals to 35. 35 upon 2 is the answer. Now you can change this into the mixed fraction. So how to change that, you know, divide the 35 by 2. Divide the 35 by 2 until you get a remainder less than the divisor. Whatever divisor you are having, so if you get the remainder less than the divisor, then stop and then write down the quotient here. So when we divide the 35 by 2, then 2 1 is 2, then you will left, we can write 35 upon 7 as 17 complete 1 upon 2. Next question 2 divide by 10 upon 11. Now same procedure we will follow here. This divide sign will change into the multiply and this number, this fraction will interchange or reciprocal. So it will become 11 upon 10. Now we can cut or simplify this 2 with 10. 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10. So now here we left with 11 and 1. So 1 into 11, 11 upon 5, and 11 upon 5 we can easily change into 2 complete 1 upon 5. And how we can change that also, you know, write the 11 inside here. Now here you have to write 5. Now 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So write down 10 here and then subtract. So you get the remainder 1. So you have to divide this numerator by the denominator until you get the remainder less than the divisor. When you got this, then you stop dividing the number. No need to find the answer in decimal. Okay, don't continue it. Now this is the procedure how to change a improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So the quotient you have to write in front of the fraction, then in front of the fraction you have to write the quotient, then write down remainder as a numerator and whatever the divisor write down in the denominator of this fraction. So you got the answer 2 complete 1 upon 5. Now next question is also same. 8 upon 9 divided by 8. So 8 upon 9. So here there is no denominator in this term. So assume the denominator 1 and reciprocal the number. So if you assume 1 here, then it will become 1 upon 8. Now this 8 and this 8 we can simplify. Now we left with 1 and here 9 and 1 in the denominator. So 1 into 1, 1 upon 9. Now this fraction cannot be changed into the mixed fraction because here the numerator is less than the denominator. We have to change the fraction into the mixed fraction when the numerator is bigger. And see in this question 11 upon 5. So your answer. Next question, 2 complete 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. Now here you are having a mixed fraction. Now you cannot solve this question right now. First you have to change this 2 complete 1 upon 2 into the proper fraction. So change 2 complete 2 upon into a fraction. 2 complete 1 upon 2 into a fraction. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So this fraction is changed into the 5 upon 2. Now divide sign, write down the divide, 3 upon 5. Now how to solve this? Change this divide into the multiply and reciprocal the number which is written next to the divide sign. So 3 upon 5 will change into the 5 upon 3. Now here don't try to cut this 5 and this 5 because both are in the numerator. Okay, and you cannot cut these two. If any one of the 5 in numerator or denominator, so you can cut it, but right now both are in the numerator. So multiply numerator with the numerator. So you will get 5 into 5 equal to 25 and 2 into 3 equals to 6. So you got 25 upon 6 and you can change this 25 upon 6 into a mixed fraction. So many questions I solved from improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Now you can solve. So it will be equal to 4 complete 1 upon 6. Now question number 3rd, solve the following. One has done for you. Now here 6 upon 2, what? 3. Okay, this is the one method to solve this question. Now second method to solve this. How to solve? Just reciprocal this 2. So this 2 when reciprocal, then it will become 1 upon 2. Now this 2 we can cut. We can simplify by reading a table of 2 how many times? 3 times. So 2 3 is 6. So answer is 3. Like this you have to solve these all the questions. So solve all these questions in your book and complete this boxes. Complete these fill-ups. Okay. So how to solve this 1 upon 5? 1 upon 5 you can solve by reciprocal the 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 5 as it is. Now change the sign from divide to the multiply. I am solving this question. And this 2 upon 1 upon 2 become the 2 upon 1. Now there is no common factor among 2 and 5. So we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So we will get 5 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator. So answer in this box, which number will come? 2 upon 5. Okay, or this is the second method. By this method also you will get the answer as 2 upon 5. Next question number 4. Do the following division and express the answer in mixed fraction. So how to solve? First write down the first number as it is and reciprocal the second number 1 upon 5 in as 5 upon 1 and change the sign from divide to multiply. So you are having in the numerator 2 and 5. So multiply 2 and this 5. So it will become 2 into 5 10 upon 3. and change this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Next question, 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 6. So this question, change this sign from divide to multiply and reciprocal the second number. So 6 upon 1 become the it will become 6 upon 1. Now we can simplify this 3 and 6 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So in the numerator you will get 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 upon 1, and 4 upon 1 we can write as 4. Next, 5 upon 6 divided by 2 upon 3. So 5 upon 6 into what? 3 upon 2. Numerator, denominator interchange. So divide sign will change into multiply. Now it become 3 upon 2. Now cut 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now no number to simplify, so we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 5 into 1 5 and 2 into 2 4. So you will get 5 upon 4, and you can change this 5 upon 4 as 1 complete 1 upon 4. Move on to the next question. These questions also you can solve by same method, like 4 upon 7. Now divide sign change into multiply, and this number becomes, the next number becomes 7 upon 3. Now we can cut this 7. So we left 4 into 1. Here nothing is left, only 1 left, and here also 1 is left. So 4 into 1 equals to 4, and 1 into 3, that is also equal to 1 into 3 3. So your answer is 4 upon 3. So like this you can solve all the remaining questions. So solve these all the questions in your fair copy.